The line between reality and virtual worlds? It's disappearing faster than you can blink. Welcome to the next generation of immersion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because today we re-unlocking something that's about to change how you see reality. Literally. We're talking about the Meta Quest 3, 512 gigabytes, the VR headset that already blew minds in 2024. But what if I told you that by 2026, the Quest is about to evolve into something way beyond what we know today? Let's break it down, not just what the Quest 3 is, but what the future Meta Quest could become. Because the next generation of VR isn't just about better graphics, it's about a completely new layer of existence. Now let's set the stage. The Quest 3, already an impressive device, gave us crisp, mixed reality, solid tracking, and wireless performance that finally made VR feel free. It wasn't tethered to a PC, and that freedom made it powerful. But in 2026, freedom gets redefined. We're talking about Meta Quest XR, a headset that's not just VR, it's a blend of real, virtual, and augmented worlds. Imagine this, you're standing in your living room, but the walls fade into a glowing cyber city. Your furniture transforms into digital objects that move and react in real time. It's not a game anymore, it's a new layer of reality mapped onto your actual environment. And the coolest part? No controllers. By 2026, the Meta Quest's hand tracking will be so advanced. It'll capture every twitch, gesture, and even the smallest finger movement. Think Minority Report level interaction, but smoother. Your hands become the controller, your eyes become the pointer, and your brain becomes the command center. You won't even need to type, the headset will understand what you intend to do, not just what you say. It's the next step in neuro-adaptive interfaces. Rehook. Just imagine, you blink and your digital workspace appears. You move your hand and your tools follow. You're not using VR, you are VR. Now let's talk about power, because by 2026, this headset's going to be an absolute beast. We're looking at chips that rival gaming laptops, running on Meta's custom AI cores. The Quest 3's Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 was great, but the 2026 version? It'll feature quantum, accelerated rendering, real-time physics, and photorealistic lighting that'll make current VR look like Minecraft. And battery life, oh, that's getting serious. The current Meta Quest 3 gives you around 2 hours, maybe 2.5 on a good day. The 2026's version? We're talking about graphene-based battery tech. Ultralight, fast charging, and capable of lasting 10 hours on mixed reality mode. You'll be able to wear it for an entire workday, jump into a movie, then switch into a game, all on a single charge. And when it does need charging, 5 minutes on a magnetic dock gives you 2 more hours. Rehook, so yeah, when the world said, you can't live inside VR, Meta basically replied, watch us. Now let's move to the visuals, because this is where the Quest 3's successor will absolutely crush expectations. In 2026, displays are going micro-LED, ultra-clear, near 8K per eye resolution, with dynamic contrast that matches the human eye. No more screen door effect, no more motion blur. You'll see individual raindrops in a game, reflections in puddles, even subtle lighting shifts as your avatar breathes. And for the first time, the color pass-through won't just be realistic, it'll be indistinguishable from the real world. Meaning, you won't even be able to tell when the virtual environment starts and the physical one ends. Rehook, reality check. What happens when the digital world starts looking more real than the actual one? Let's talk memory and storage. The Meta Quest 3, 512 gigabytes, was already generous, but 2026's models expect 2 terabytes onboard storage and cloud-integrated VR memory, meaning your headset will automatically sync your experiences, preferences, and even your custom worlds to the cloud. You can pause a game at home and pick up exactly where you left off anywhere in the world. No download, no lag. And here's the game changer, adaptive AI rendering. Your headset will predict what scenes you'll look at next and render them ahead of time, cutting latency to 0. That means no motion sickness, no delay, no waiting for it to load. You think it's there. Rehook. It's not just faster, it's predictive. Like your headset knows you better than you know yourself. Now, privacy and identity, because this is where Meta's future gets really interesting. Right now, your headset tracks your movement, your voice, even your surroundings. But by 2026, that data will be stored locally, encrypted through blockchain-based security layers. No leaks, no snooping, full control in your hands. But here's the twist. Your digital avatar becomes your passport. Imagine logging into any metaverse app or game, instantly recognized by your facial micro-expressions, body posture, and tone of voice. No passwords, no logins, just you and customization. Forget static avatars. Your digital self will age, smile, blink, and react just like you, powered by AI that mimics your mannerisms. Rehook. So the question isn't, who are you online? It's which version of you are you today? Now let's talk sound and immersion because that's a big one. 3D spatial audio in Quest 3 was solid, but in 2026, we're talking neural acoustics. The sound doesn't just come from speakers, it's mapped to your ear anatomy using ultrasonic tracking to simulate real-world physics. You'll hear whispers behind you, footsteps beside you, echoes off walls that aren't even there, and it'll all sound like it's actually happening around you. Combine that with real-time environmental sensors, your VR space will adjust to your room acoustics. The headset will learn your space, adapt your sound, and create personalized echo profiles. Rehook. Close your eyes and you'll still be inside the game. Now here's where things get futuristic, emotional feedback. 2026's MetaQuest isn't just about visuals and sound. It's about feeling. Through neural feedback headbands, the headset will detect your heart rate, skin temperature, and even micro-emotions. It'll know when you're scared, excited, or calm and adjust the experience accordingly. Imagine a horror game that senses when you're too comfortable and ramps up the tension. Or a meditation app that slows your heart rate by syncing sound, light, and vibration. It's not just immersive, it's alive. Rehook. When your headset starts feeling your emotions, who's really in control? And now let's talk about the ecosystem. The Meta Quest 3 already works with Meta Horizon worlds, fitness apps, and VR games. But in 2026, that ecosystem explodes. You'll have one headset for everything: gaming, productivity, social, and entertainment. Meta's future XR Hub will let you join meetings, edit videos, create 3D art, hang with friends, and shop, all from within one shared reality. You'll be able to attend concerts where you see your friends' avatars dancing beside you, or explore digital cities where every building is an app. Rehook. The line between social media and reality, by 2026, it's gone. Now, before we wrap this up, don't forget to subscribe, because we're just scratching the surface of what's coming. The 2026 Meta Quest will be more than a device. It'll be a lifestyle. We'll see lighter designs made from carbon mesh, built-in eye health systems that reduce strain, AI-powered assistants that project holographic windows into your space so you can work, play, and live seamlessly between worlds. And maybe, just maybe, we'll see the first step toward full neural integration, where VR isn't worn, but experienced directly through your senses. No headset, no screens. Just pure, connected consciousness. Rehook. Today it's a headset. Tomorrow, it's reality itself. If you're hyped for what's coming next, smash that like button, drop your dream feature for the MetaQuest 2026 in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed, because we're diving into the biggest tech shifts shaping the future of VR, AI, and beyond.